I can understand English. When people speak to me, I understand almost everything.
That's good. So what's the problem?
The problem starts when I have to speak. That's when everything disappears.
Disappears?
Yeah, my vocabulary, my confidence, everything. I just freeze.
That happens to a lot of people.
When I hesitate, I choose the wrong words. Sometimes I even sound rude without meaning to.
Rude? What did you say?
Yesterday, when I came here, I walked to the counter and said, "I want coffee."
Ah, okay. I see what happened.
See, that's what I mean. I wasn't trying to be rude. But the barista looked at me strangely.
It's not terrible, but it sounds a little demanding.
But in my head, I was just nervous. I didn't have time to think.
That's exactly the problem. Understanding English is passive, but speaking English feels like pressure. When you speak, your brain is thinking about grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and what people think of you. So when you panic, you choose the fastest, simplest words.
Like, I want.
Exactly. Instead of saying, "I want coffee," you can say, "Can I get a latte, please?"
Can I get a latte, please?
Good. Now don't separate the words. Let them flow together. Can I get a latte?
Can I get a latte?
That already sounds more natural.
It feels smoother.
Because native speakers don't say, "Can I get a?" They connect it.
So what if they ask me for details?
Just add them at the end. Can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Perfect.
And if I want iced coffee,
I'll have an iced coffee black.
I'll have an iced coffee black.
See? Same structure, no stress. And they will ask you something very important. For here or to go?
That confused me last time.
For here means you sit here. To go means you're taking it away.
I think I just said yes.
You can't say yes to that.
Okay, let me try everything together. Hi, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please? For here,
That sounded natural.
because I wasn't building the sentence, I was remembering it.
Exactly. Don't create it. Just recall it.
Maybe I don't actually have a vocabulary problem. Maybe I just don't have enough ready-made phrases.
That's it. Fluency isn't about knowing thousands of words. It's about knowing the right patterns.
So, if I memorize small, safe structures,
You remove pressure.
and when pressure goes down, confidence goes up.
Now you're starting to think in English.
You know what? I think I was never bad at English. I was just afraid of sounding wrong.
And fear makes simple sentences feel harder.
But today felt different.
Because you weren't inventing English. You were using patterns.
So maybe next time, I won't freeze.
Next time you won't. And if you understand English, but freeze when speaking, you're not alone.
Right eye freeze below.
In the next episode, we'll fix another real-life speaking problem.